How to change your Discord username. Want to switch up your Discord username and stand out in chats? I will show you exactly how to change your Discord username easy and quick. Let's do this. First, open Discord and go to user settings. Open the Discord app or website and click the gear icon next to your username at the bottom left. Under My Account, find your current username and click the edit button right beside it. Type the new username you want to use. Remember, Discord usernames have a limit of 2 to 32 characters. To save your new username, you will need to enter your current Discord password. Hit save and boom, your username is saved. Bonus tip, your Discord tag, the hash and the numbers after your username won't change. It helps keep you unique. And that's how you change your Discord username, quick and simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.